So it's been a while that I have been using Clinique Smart Night Custom Repair Moisturizer because of my concern is about wrinkle due to my it's about wrinkle. And this product, they said that the key ingredient is choosing boost of hydration with this potent de-aging formula helps increase skin reverse of hyaluronic acid, nature's perfect moisture magnet, micrococcus luteus extract, a special enzyme that gets to work while you sleep, helps intensify skin night cycle of repair. So my skin concern is the wrinkle and sign of aging, and the Clinique Repair, this bottle, they said that it's for dry combination and combination oily skin. At the time that I started to use this product, my skin is from the previous product is getting into an combination oily stage. So I got this product and have been using this product, and I finished the container, or I finished the jar. So I finished the jar, and then instead of second jar continuing, my facial was concerned about tighten skin as well. It's not only fine line that my skin concern, it's also about my facial that need a little uplifting repair too. So I deciding to get the firm cream Repairwear lifting from Clinique instead. And after I have tried this cream for a while, I realized that the best beneficial that you'll be able to get it from the cream itself, due to it lifting cream. So you're not expecting the cream to be moist enough for your skin, especially like not young, especially aged people, especially a skin type that cause my skin is cause I expecting to use the product to decrease my pore, cause my skin facial pore is large from the previous cream, and then I use the repair cream, and I wanting to lift up my facial. So after I have been using the cream, if you are using the cream without lotion, I don't feel, for my skin especially, I don't know other people, I don't know your guys facial, but if you have been using this one, or you thinking to purchase the jar, and if you find out after the jar, after you have tried the jar, the cream, I recommending you use lotion first. Any kind of lotion is work, I reckon. You use lotion and then you use the cream, because they produce, because the cream, because the cream is produced for decreasing the pore on your skin facial, right? So they won't have much moisture on your skin facial due to decreasing the oils, excess oil on facial. So after you use lotion and then put that cream on, and then oh sorry, after you use lotion, serum, and then you use the cream, it will be perfect on the skin. You don't need anything much after that because you will have enough moisture from the lotion and serum. I did try serum only. I have used serum and then I use this cream. It's not, I find out I can feel that my facial skin is not absorb moisture enough to smooth my skin. I feel my skin is getting dry very quickly and my skin is not very bounce enough or bounce enough. So if I use lotion, serum, and then moisturizer, 3 of them, you will be able to it will be able to get my skin facial. I think it's much more beneficial from those products altogether. Alright guys, these two is not bad for me, but you're gonna have to, when you use them, you're gonna have to recognize, of course we're gonna have to recognize how it works on our skin. Alright, but this guy is the Repair Anti-Gravity Ice Cream. This is my second jar. I have been using the small jar earlier. That's this one is family size. I think the texture for the cream is pretty what's it called? It's pretty. I like the texture of the cream. Like it's, you know, our eye area is started when if you are. The texture of the cream is very thick, and then when you put it on your eye or around your eye, it melts into the skin very easily. It's gliding very easily and absorb into skin very nice and easily, like properly. You just massage it through for a bit. It's helping and absorb quickly, like in between the eye cream and the lifting cream. After you try the texture, you'll be able to tell that the anti-gravity cream is much more moist and easily to grind into the skin. Like pretty good as well. Not very nice and skin, but you know, skin. Okay. So here we are. So now I have been using these two guys to for my moisturizer skin facial. That's for night cream, and for the eye I use day cream and night. I use daytime and nighttime for the eye, and for the nighttime I use Clinique Smart Night Lifting. Oh, sorry, wrong. This one. So for the nighttime, I have been using Repairwear Uplifting, and the daytime and nighttime is anti-gravity for eye cream. That's all, guys. I hope you good. That's all, guys. My Clinique skincare night routine. So if you are using another brand and you would like to try this, I hope I recommending that if your facial doesn't need to lift up much, you okay, or you'll be happy with the Smart Night Repair Moisturizer. If your facial not too sensitive, I think this product is pretty good. And but if your facial is and need to a bit more lifting, this product is not too bad. But however, I'm recommending that you better join the product with the lotion and serum and then the uplifting cream, because this one doesn't have enough moisture due to the point of the product is for decreasing pores, so they won't produce, so they didn't put much moisture into the cream texture, so you won't feel regress when you use the product if you have prepped your skin properly. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you like and have tried new cream and won't be disappointed. See you again for the next video. Bye.